And as we turn back to our weather, so that weather alert again behind us. Today, though, interesting weather in terms of, sun, cloud, little bit of rain, just a good mix of weather so far.
We were talking earlier in our meeting, as many of us were driving into work this afternoon, we were saying sunglasses on, sunglasses off, and that's likely going to be the scenario as we roll our way into tomorrow as well. So this drier weather pattern is starting to take shape as temperatures are going to be on the cooler side tonight. But boy, a beautiful live look out over downtown Portland as those clouds still remain, anticipating a pretty beautiful sunset in the works later tonight. The sun dipping below the horizon at 5:43 as we hover right around 43 degrees. So the cooling trend already starting to get into the works as sights of spring are still cropping up despite that threat of some high elevation snow and even a snowflake or two being spotted here across the Portland-Vancouver metro area within the past 24 hours. That now just a distant memory as the countdown to spring is on. 29 days until we celebrate the change of the guard, March 20th, as we dive our way into the warming months. As today's temperatures were slightly below average, 45 for us here in the Rose City, when we typically should be right around 52 degrees or so. As temperatures are now starting to fall back into the upper 30s out towards the Corvallis area, Hood River just the same, approaching that as well out towards Astoria, as we are going to be holding on to those mostly cloudy skies tonight, but a few breaks very possible, and that's going to allow for some of that warmth that we've built to escape back out into space, allowing for those temperatures to slide back into eventually the low 30s after midnight. As a hit and miss raindrop or two potential still remains for parts of the I-5 corridor, as those clouds are still going to be in abundance across much of our area for tonight and carry over into Friday. That helps to keep snow in place up in elevation. Mount Hood Meadows area and Government Camp really benefiting from this, along with Timberline Lodge seeing 58 inches. That's the breadwinner, at least with some of our ski resorts. Ski Bowl nearly doubling the amount of snow that you saw just about a week or so ago, as Timberline's deficit still holds firm to about 5 feet below where we should be. The good news is we shaved off about a foot because last week we were down by about 6 feet. So small improvements, the small wins we will take as our latest low pressure system fades. A gradual ridge starts to build, and that's going to be our warming mechanism as the counterclockwise flow around our next low keeps the flow of rain moving its way back in western Oregon and southwest Washington. And yes, it does bring back the chance for some snow flurries up in elevation as much of our area begins to dry tonight and for the start of the day tomorrow. Maybe a raindrop or two for the coast, a snowflake or two for the high elevations of the coast range as we stay mostly dry for our Friday afternoon. Then the wet weather rolls back in just after midnight, early Saturday morning, and on again, off again. Rain showers are anticipated for Saturday. That's going to carry over to more persistent, widespread rain as we approach Sunday. But at least through Saturday evening, rain gauges filling up close to 1/10 of an inch, almost a ½ inch for some of our coastal communities. And I think by the end of the weekend, many of us will be approaching about that ½ inch mark as snow elevation levels with the warming trend on the rise back up to the 4,000-foot layer as we move our way past the weekend. So a brief warming trend does not last long, at least for the Cascades. So additional snow is anticipated for our ski resorts, anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. A possibility is tonight we fall back to about the freezing mark. Keep in mind, everything's rapidly drying, so icing is not a concern for us as temperatures rebound back up into the mid to upper 40s for western Oregon and southwest Washington. Cooler, more winter-like out towards the east as our 7-day forecast steers clear of any KOIN 6 weather alerts. Although you'll notice the rain becoming more intense, more persistent, widespread Sunday into Monday as those afternoon highs climb back up into the low and eventually the mid-50s. So we go from well below average to above average within just a span of 7 days.
And we've got the rain, which is something we're used to this time of year.
It's typical for February.
All right. Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
Coming up, controversy in Candyland, the social media post that's shaken the world of chocolates.